To enable or disable BeaconLink on OPPO Reno 15, first of all, we need to open Settings. Next, in Settings, we're gonna go to the mobile network settings, and then in here we need to find the BeaconLink option, so we can go ahead and open this. Now, in order to continue, we need to agree and continue. We need to press on this button over here, and we need to also agree to the statement of use. Now, over here, you need to also use an OPPO account, so in my case, I'm just gonna sign in with my Google account. This is, of course, the quickest way to use an account. There we go, we can grant access to contacts over here and to find nearby devices and also to manage phone calls. And there we go, BeaconLink is now enabled. You can also choose who should be allowed to call you and send you messages, so you can choose contacts only or everyone for 2 hours. You can also find nearby people in here, you can open chats and so on. And we can tap on this switcher to deactivate or activate BeaconLink. And here we can also see the description of this feature. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.